Hi, welcome to my studio. My name's Kris. This channel is all about tips, tools, and tutorials for growing in watercolor. In this video, I want to share a quick tip about storing your watercolor tubes of paint like this. I think you're going to find this tip to be really helpful. Let's get started. Until recently, I was storing all of my watercolor paint in this bin. This bin system worked okay. However, there were a few drawbacks. It was difficult to find the paint I was looking for. I would have to sift through almost the entire collection of tubes until I found the right one. And then the paints were not easily organized by color, temperature, or hue. They were all just mixed together. And sometimes my tubes, which were lying on their side, would leak a little bit of paint into this bin, and even a little bit of paint makes a big mess. I knew there had to be a better way to store my paint tubes. I had seen various paint storage systems on social media, but I really wanted something that was easy to use, inexpensive, and didn't require that I hang something on the wall. That's when I came upon this product on Amazon. It's a lipstick organizer. It is made out of clear acrylic. It's really durable. Each unit holds 40 tubes of paint, and the product I purchased came with 2 of these units. That gives me a storage capacity of 80 tubes of paint. That was plenty for my collection of paint. I like the way the organizer is crafted in tiers like this so that the tubes in the back are visible above those in the front. I also like that it's made of clear acrylic, so I can see the entire tube of paint, including the name and the brand on the side of the tube. Each of the slots in the organizer is about 1 inch by 3/4 of an inch square on the top, and it's about 1.5 inches deep. This is a great size for holding a standard size 15 milliliter tube of Daniel Smith paint, which is what I use primarily. I will admit that sometimes I have to bend the bottom edge of the tube like this a little bit to make sure it fits inside the slot. And you definitely have to place the tubes in at an angle like this to get them to fit. But despite the snug fit, I love the way this organizer shows off all my paint tubes. You can see here I have them organized by color. All of my cool colors in this unit and all of my warm colors in this one. I've placed my neutral warm colors here and my neutral cool colors here. Now it's so easy to find the exact paint I'm looking for. And I've solved the paint leaking problem. Because the tubes are stored upright, the paint settles at the bottom of the tube. When I open the paint tube to squeeze out paint, I don't have that explosion of paint problem that sometimes happens. The overall dimensions of the organizer is 7.8 inches wide and about 4.7 inches deep and 3.5 inches tall. It fits well on my work table in my studio. I only paid about $13 US at the time of this video for the organizers, and I was really pleased with the value for the price because, in fact, when they arrived, I was surprised that there were actually 2 organizers included. I thought I was buying just one. What a pleasant surprise. I will leave a link in the video description to the exact product that I'm reviewing in this video. If you purchase it via the link, you will be supporting the content creation of this channel without paying a single dime more on your purchase. Thanks in advance for supporting my work. So if you've been looking for a better way to organize and store your watercolor paints, give this simple, affordable, and ready-to-use solution a try. I think you will find, as I have, that it works great. If you found this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. I put out a video like this about once a week. Thanks for watching and have a great day.